how to erase a Facebook account. In order to do that, head over here to your three lines, click right here on your settings, then from in there go to your Meta Account Center, click on your personal details. You can see in here the account ownership and control. So once you have clicked on that, you need to head over and then click on this deactivation or deletion that you can see right here on your screen. From in there, just choose your Facebook account. Now click on this delete account, which is also essentially the same as erasing it. Now click on continue, and then as you can see, all the pages that you have made will also be deleted or deactivated. So click on this continue right here, choose the reason that you want, and then click on continue. And then you can also put in here the time spent if you want, and you can scroll down. And then if you click on continue, you should be able to erase your account. So that's how you erase a Facebook account. Hope we helped.